going to be about just I don't really like this watch, so what's the better thing should I do with it than crashing it? So peace out. Whoa, oh yeah. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna put the camera somewhere here. Alright, I'm gonna show you when it cracks. I should probably take it off so I can like stay normal. Screw that. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh shoot! I actually broke it. Look at all these pieces. And let's see. Oh my god. Oh god, guys, I have cut. I shouldn't have done this. I'm kind of bleeding. But it's okay. God. I actually broke it. It broke the whole screen. Oh my god. And I'm gonna see how it looks like. It was a clock. Oh shoot, it still works. Oh my god, it's going whatever it wants. Alright, so we're gonna Alright, what's inside here? Here's all the cables. And here's what's inside all this. Now it's an ugly watch. This is how it looks like now. Alright, this was a piece of trash. I didn't know what to do, so yeah. I don't care if I'm bleeding, it's okay. Whatever, peace out.